This is section 1 of 8, understanding the P0136 code. The P0136 code signifies an oxygen sensor circuit malfunction. Specifically, it's called oxygen sensor circuit malfunction, bank 1 sensor 2, and indicates a problem with the downstream oxygen sensor. This sensor is located on the bank containing cylinder 1, and it's the second sensor in the exhaust system, the downstream one. The downstream sensor, or sensor 2, is positioned after the catalytic converter, unlike the upstream sensor, which is before it. This sensor monitors the catalytic converter's efficiency. It measures oxygen levels in the exhaust after the converter has done its work. The code triggers when the sensor's voltage readings are abnormal, or if its response time is too slow, or there's a circuit issue. When this happens, it affects the vehicle's emissions control and overall engine performance. This is a common problem in vehicles with internal combustion engines. Oxygen sensors are electrochemical devices that monitor exhaust gas oxygen levels. Bank 1 sensor 2, located downstream from the catalytic converter, generates a voltage signal between 0.1 and 0.9 volts based on oxygen content. The sensor compares oxygen levels before and after the catalytic converter to ensure proper function. A P0136 code indicates the signal is stuck lean above 0.9 volts, rich below 0.1 volts, or unresponsive, pointing to a circuit issue. This sensor helps the engine control unit fine-tune the air-fuel mixture for optimal catalytic converter performance, reducing vehicle emissions. The ECU uses sensor data to adjust fuel injection and maintain efficiency. The catalytic converter uses this data to complete chemical reactions that neutralize harmful exhaust gases, ensuring cleaner emissions from the vehicle. Several factors can trigger a P0136 code. These include a failing oxygen sensor due to age or contamination, damaged wiring harnesses, exhaust leaks, a faulty ECU, or issues within the sensor's heater circuit. Remember to inspect wiring and connections first, as sensor failure is not always the root cause. Exhaust leaks can also falsely trigger the code. Start diagnostics by using an OBD2 scan tool to confirm the P0136 trouble code. This device connects to your vehicle's diagnostic port and reads stored codes. Next, check the freeze frame data on your scan tool. This captures sensor voltage readings at the exact moment the P0136 code was set. Normal voltage should be between 0.1 and 0.9 volts. Values outside this range indicate potential issues. Perform live data tests with the engine running to assess the oxygen sensor's response in real time. The voltage should oscillate between rich and lean conditions. A stuck or slow-responding sensor indicates a problem. Finally, perform a visual inspection of the oxygen sensor wiring and connections. Look for corrosion, breaks, or damage in the harness. Also, check the sensor mounting and exhaust system for leaks that could affect readings. These initial diagnostic steps systematically narrow down the cause of the P0136 code, helping determine if the problem lies with the sensor, wiring, or related systems. When initial diagnostic checks don't reveal the issue, advanced troubleshooting techniques can pinpoint the problem with the oxygen sensor circuit. First, use a multimeter to test the sensor's heater circuit for continuity and proper voltage supply. Next, visually inspect for exhaust leaks near the sensor location, as leaks can cause false readings. Compare the downstream sensor readings with upstream sensor data to assess catalytic converter efficiency. Finally, use a smoke machine to detect hidden exhaust leaks that might be causing the P0136 code. When the oxygen sensor is faulty, replacement is the primary repair option. Use a compatible high-quality sensor like the Bosch LSU 4.9 for extended life and reliable performance. Before replacing the sensor, disconnect the vehicle battery to prevent electrical issues. Then apply anti-seize compound to the sensor threads to prevent future corrosion. Install the new sensor carefully. Replacement costs typically range from $100 to $300, depending on the vehicle make and sensor quality. When diagnosing P0136, if wiring or connectors are damaged, repair or replace them to restore proper oxygen sensor circuit function. Damaged wiring or connectors can cause the oxygen sensor circuit to malfunction, triggering the P0136 code. Inspect for corrosion, breaks, or loose connections. For corroded connectors, use electrical contact cleaner to remove buildup and restore conductivity. When repairing wiring, use proper soldering techniques. Heat the wires and apply fresh solder for a strong, durable connection. After soldering, use heat shrink tubing to insulate and protect the repair. Select the appropriate size and shrink it securely over the connection. If wiring harness damage is extensive, consider replacing the entire harness. Always ensure all connections are secure to prevent future electrical issues. Remember, faulty wiring is often misdiagnosed as oxygen sensor failure. Proper wiring repairs can resolve P0136 without replacing expensive sensors. After repairing the P0136 code, clear it using a scan tool. Then perform a test drive to ensure the code doesn't return. Monitor sensor readings with the scan tool to confirm proper function. The rise of electric vehicles is reducing P0136 incidents. AI-powered diagnostic tools can predict sensor failures, potentially reducing manual repairs in the future.